We have the S&P 500 back below 3,000. Do you think it's more likely to stable at that level, or could you see it going higher?
Well, the trend's your friend. We know the trend's up. And I think most people are fearful it's going to do what it did in the second half of last year and the second half of this year. The significance, I think, is if it doesn't break above 3,000, it has major repercussions for everything else, most notably gold. Like, gold is much likely to go higher if the S&P 500 doesn't.
And you have a very compelling chart showing this.
Yes.
So talk to us about this chart with gold futures and the E-mini futures.
Exactly. Well, so you look at the chart, the S&P 500 E-mini futures, I mean, it's a seemingly unstoppable trend, but gold is starting to just kind of join that trend. And the significance, if you can show in here, Matt, is last year when the S&P 500 peaked near current levels, gold bottomed near current levels, which was around 1,200. Now we have gold sustaining above 1,400, which is the highest level in 6 years, and S&P 500 knocking up against 3,000 resistance. The key thing is, if it can't sustain above that level, gold's more likely to jump up to another handle, 1,500.
Okay, so what if it does sustain, or what if it even climbs to what it's technically confirmed for right now, 3060? Do you still think that that means gold will creep higher, or do you think that that could be bearish for gold?
It could be, but they're all going up together right now, and the significance is, I don't know if they both go up. They both continue going higher.
Rally.
But from like an option standpoint, look at the inflection point. And if it does hold, it's kind of a significant buy signal for gold. So I look at it as gold it's breaking out, but volatility is still very low. And if you don't want to put into a new long position, now you might consider long call spreads, because volatility is still low, it's breaking out, and options, protect against a potential key breakdown if the rally fails like it's done for the last 6 years.
And this points to something that a lot of our viewers may not know, that there are options on futures, so you can go long gold options on futures. Mike McGlone, great to have you here for Trading Futures and your bullish expression on gold through the S&P 500.